Earth is an incredible place to live. All around us, life creates new, diverse, peculiar beings, and the earth supports them. Everything physically meaningful to us comes from the earth. Grains, fruits, and vegetables feed us, while wood, stones, gypsum sheetrock, and other materials provide us shelter. Everything plastic, everything aluminum, everything mineral, everything paper, concrete, rubber, clothing fibers, it all comes from the earth. We are connected to the planet, even if it's on such an unconscious level that we don't even realize how vital Earth's natural resources are. Because we share the soil, the air, the water, and minerals, we are all connected to the earth and the life that lives here in a complex, tangled web. If something fails, if a species is wiped out, a forest cut down, if air and water are polluted, then we all fail, because it is another strand cut from our web of life. Today it is imminent that our non-renewable natural resources will run out. Fossil sources account for 80% of the world's energy demand, and the demand is still growing. Coal satiates 25% of the global appetite, natural gas 21%, and oil 34%. However, global reserves of oil are estimated to last only 41 years, natural gas 63 years, and for coal 147 to 200 years. Mining for these resources, as well as other non-renewable materials, has leveled forests and mountains, displaced families, and wiped out animal habitats. Consumption has outgrown renewable resources also. Although the earth is 75% water, only 3% is drinkable, and much more than 3% of the earth's water is polluted. Rainforests are being cut down at 100 acres a minute. At the current rate of deforestation, the world's rainforests will completely vanish within 100 years. Agriculture and the immense wood and paper industry displace millions of animals. Over 70% of the world's species live in the forests that are being cut down. Deforestation also contributes to global climate change and air pollution, as trees help filter carbon dioxide gases and release moisture into the air. Something has to be done if we want to sustain life on this planet. Something has to change. It's amazing how much we throw away can be recycled. Recycling businesses in Montana take all types of paper: shredded paper, newspaper, office paper, printer paper, and magazines. They also take all types of cardboard, corrugated, and the cereal box type cardboard. All of our milk cartons, pizza trays, and paper bags can be recycled, even the cardboard from candy and juice boxes. Plastics get a little more tricky. There are 7 different types of plastics, numbered 1 through 7, but Montana only recycles plastics 1 and 2. To see if your plastic can be recycled, you can check on the bottom or side of whatever plastic you have and look for the recycle symbol with the number 1 or 2. 1 plastics are usually 2-liter soda bottles, cooking oil bottles, and peanut butter jars. Water bottles are also 1 plastic, but the caps aren't, and have to be removed before they go in the bin. 2 plastics are milk jugs and detergent bottles. Yogurt tubs are usually a number 2, but you can't recycle them. Repurposed tubs that can't be recycled for lunch carriers, Tupperware, or plant containers. The possibilities are endless. A lot of our everyday plastics aren't recyclable. Plastic bags, trash can liners, bottle caps, to-go boxes, Tupperware, and anything styrofoam. Many of these can't be repurposed and add a lot of waste to our environment. So if you can, try to stay away from these plastics. Carry a bag for groceries in your car, buy a metal water bottle, and reuse packing peanuts or cups that aren't plastic or styrofoam. Recycling is pretty easy. All you have to do is separate your paper, plastics, aluminum, and cardboard from the everyday stuff. We have paper bins and plastic recycle containers in the school and are hoping for cardboard sometime soon. At home, have separate bins, and when you go to the dump, deposit the recyclables in the blue bins. Every little bit helps. With a little effort, we can make a difference. Whether it's recycling, riding a bike, or walking instead of driving, or supporting cleaner energy, we can help reduce our carbon footprint and conserve what little resources we have left on this planet.